Hi, I am Deborah R. Richardson, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this Vendor Master File tip of the week is all about how to avoid gift card scams with the IRS. And this is coming directly from the IRS. So, how to tell if it's really the IRS, what they will never do. So let's start off with this IRS email that came, and it came because I had an e-news subscription, and I'll show you in just a minute how to get more information on that. But this was tax tip number 2024-91. And again, this came in my email. And it talks about some common holiday scams with scammers trying to trick taxpayers into falling for gift card scams. So they may impersonate government or collections officials and send official looking requests for gift cards to resolve an outstanding debt or issue. They also may ask the victim to purchase gift cards from different stores so they don't arouse the suspicion of the store employees. And then, of course, once you or the victim purchases the gift card and gives the fraudsters the gift card number and PIN, that money is just gone. And so they also say that the scammers could send emails that appear to be legitimate from or from a legitimate company, but of course are not. They can also pose as an IRS agent and call the taxpayer stating that the taxpayer is linked to criminal activity, and then also threaten or harass the taxpayer by telling them they must pay a fake tax penalty. And so the IRS knows that that happens, especially around tax reporting season, especially around year end and the holidays when gift card scams really tend to trend up. And so they also gave, the IRS did in this email, some things that the IRS will never do. And that is these four bullet points: call to demand immediate payment using a specific payment method like a gift card, demand that taxpayers pay taxes without the opportunity to question or appeal the amount that they owe. Threaten to bring in local police. We know that there have been issues where the IRS has warned us about that in the past. So local police and immigration officers or other law enforcement. And then finally, threaten to revoke the taxpayer's driver's license, business licenses, or immigration status. Now, if you have been a victim, here's how you can report a scam to the IRS as well as to some other organizations as well. And so you can contact the Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration to report a phone scam. They do give you a link, and all the links that are included, this actually too came from the email. So all the links that are included in the email, I will have them in the description. But the phone number is on here, so you can call using that phone number that is listed. You can also reach out to the Federal Trade Commission or visit your state attorney general. Now, if you want to know how to get those e-news subscription notifications or emails in your inbox, it's really easy. And I do have a demo of it, and this is going to come up in like right after this video, so you can hang on for that, or you can check the link in the description where I go through and demo how you sign up for the IRS e-news subscriptions. All right, so if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. Now, if you want over 163, I think, hours it is, I'm up to now, of vendor process training for your vendor team, please go to the Vendor Process Training Center at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.